My name is Jason Parker. I'm the Focus Factory cell leader for the paint department here at IPF. When I first applied at Acuity, my brother actually worked here, and he let me know that they were doing some hiring at the time, so I actually started out as an hourly associate. I had some pretty good ideas for improving some of our processes, and my bosses saw talent in me, so they moved me into a material coordinator position, which is a group leader type role. My boss approached me and asked me if I would be interested in moving into a production supervisor position, so I jumped at that chance. I went to second shift for about 9 months, and then we made arrangements for me to come to first shift, and I've been here on first shift for 3 years now. So coming from a law enforcement background, operating heavy machinery, I never had any prior production or manufacturing experience, so just walking in the door, it's a whole new world for you, but as long as you apply yourself and listen to some of the seasoned people that have been here, you can get acclimated to what's expected of you pretty quickly. As of right now, I plan to spend the rest of my career here. I don't have any plans to go anywhere else. Obviously, I've been able to move up the ladder. I'm pleased with the compensation, the vacation time, the insurance is great, and the people I work with are awesome as well. So constantly trying to cultivate that culture and make this a great place to work.